Look at this one here. This is an interesting tree there. Okay, just one. There you go. If you can look at this tree here, okay, actually this big tree here, it's called the Thorn tree. If you just want to bring this one very close, you can see it nicely. And if you can see the trees all along the tree, on the stem of the tree. Okay, look at this. If you look this one here, it looks very similar to the woman breast teeth. What happened? Because in the olden days, I mean, Shangani people believed to have like 5 wives, and they were only looking for the one with a big breast, which they believe that they can give a very good milk, or they have a very lots of milk because they got lots of children. Remember, they used to have like 10, 14 children easy, and when they're still young, they go out in the bush and fetch these things there. They grind all these, and then take a razor and put on the breast here when they're still young, and then it believes that when they get older in time, they can have a very big breast, so they can get married, because of they know that man, he was concentrating more likely on the big breast, which they can give lots of milk into their lots of children.